Hey there, and welcome back to our series on e-commerce data and trends. The topic today is trends we see affecting the e-commerce industry and the impact they may have on your digital marketing strategy today and in the months to come. First up, let's talk about the impact of inflation on digital marketing. While e-commerce growth has continued at a rapid pace, the effects of economic uncertainty cannot be ignored. Consumer prices have increased as a result of global inflation, and continued product shortages are driving consumers to switch brands without much thought. In fact, 65% of marketers have seen their budgets cut because of rising costs, and 69% believe brand switching is more commonplace. In markets where customer loyalty is hard to come by, diversifying your marketing strategies becomes that much more important, especially on the global marketplace that is e-commerce. Now, how can we connect without an audience and build our brand loyalty? Let's talk about social commerce, which plays an essential role in diversification. Gen Z and millennial consumers are seeking out more personalized experiences and prefer video content on newer platforms like TikTok, where personalization is emphasized. In fact, 97% of Gen Z consumers say social media is their top source of shopping inspiration. And there has been a 29% increase in global TikTok users between 2020 and 2021 alone. Although most marketers predicted that this would lead to an increase in live stream selling, in summer 2022, Meta shut down Facebook's live stream shopping program and shuttered Instagram's affiliate commerce program due to lack of adoption. As a result, you may see social commerce pivot back towards more traditional influencer marketing, with a notable exception. It will rely less on the size of the influencer's following and more on the level of engagement and ability to prompt creation of user-generated content. If you have a different opinion or experience, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment box down below. And don't forget to subscribe. Moving on to voice commerce, we can see that consumer reliance on voice recognition AI technology has risen, and marketers are finding that voice commerce provides access to a greater range of product data than just past purchase history and browsing history. In fact, 123 million adults in the US use voice assistants at least once per month, and there was 20 million in sales for voice shopping last year. However, keep in mind that you'll likely need to adjust some of your SEO strategies specifically for voice commerce. Users aren't typing their queries, they're asking them aloud, and voice searches often know your location and previous questions you've asked, which changes the context of searches. As a result, SEO for voice commerce doesn't focus on keywords, but on conversational, complete questions. Finally, let's talk about the rise of brick-and-mortar stores. Consumers have re-embraced in-store experiences that weren't available during the pandemic, and this has led to a 53% year-over-3-year increase in physical store sales for Allbirds in just Q3 of 2022. Instead of viewing the rise of brick-and-mortar as a threat, marketers could view consumers' renewed interest in in-store experiences as an opportunity to flex their creativity and explore different options like augmented reality that heighten interactive experiences online. In fact, there has been a 15% increase in marketers who use augmented reality over a 3-year period, and 75% of the global population will become frequent augmented reality users, according to Snap and Deloitte. These are just some of the digital marketing trends that are currently making waves and will continue to shape e-commerce in the months to come. If you want to dive deeper into our user trends, check out the full report in the description box down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into e-commerce in our next segment. Thanks for watching.